A profile of a man's head and chest region appears.
Coughing is a sudden expulsion of air from the lungs through the epiglottis, cartilage located in the throat, at an amazingly fast speed.
A bouncing ball is heard.
Compared to a tennis ball hit at 50 miles per hour,
A tennis ball flashes on screen.
or a baseball at 85 miles per hour,
A bouncing ball is heard. A baseball flashes on the screen.
coughing is faster.
The man's head leans back, then propels forward as his mouth opens. A coughing sound is heard. Water particles expel from his mouth.
With an estimated speed of 100 miles per hour. With such a strong force of air, coughing is the body's mechanism for clearing the breathing passageways of unwanted irritants.
The man's skin becomes transparent to reveal his mouth, windpipe, esophagus, breastbone, and lungs.
Let's take a look at the vocal cords prior to a cough.
A section of the man's windpipe is magnified, showing the vocal cords.
In order for a cough to occur, several events need to take place in sequence.
A cup appears. The man drinks from this through a straw. A slurping noise is heard. Water moves from the mouth into the esophagus and windpipe.
Let's use the unwanted irritant of water entering the windpipe, also known as the trachea, to trigger the coughing reflex.
Water appears in the voice box.
First, the vocal cords open widely,
The intake of air is heard.
allowing additional air to pass through the lungs. Then the epiglottis closes off the windpipe.
The man's throat is shown with the epiglottis at the back of the throat. The epiglottis moves downward to shut the windpipe.
And simultaneously, the abdominal and rib muscles contract,
The man's chest expands and deflates.
increasing the pressure behind the epiglottis. With the increased pressure, the air is forcefully expelled and creates a rushing sound as it moves very quickly past the vocal cords.
The vocal cord contracts. Simultaneously, the man's head leans forward and his mouth opens. The vocal cord vibrates and a coughing sound is heard.
The rushing air dislodges the irritant.
The man is seen and heard coughing twice more. On the second cough, the pool of water within the vocal cords transforms into droplets. These expel from the man's mouth.
Making it possible to breathe comfortably again.